Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're talking about the best baby swimming ring on the market. The Mambobaby Float with Canopy, an upgraded, non-inflatable, solid float designed for infants aged 3 to 24 months. If you're a parent looking for a safe, durable, and thoughtfully designed baby pool float, stick around, because this one might just check every box. Let's dive straight into what makes the Mambobaby Float stand out. First off, this is not your typical inflatable pool ring. In fact, there's no air involved at all. It's a solid, non-inflatable design using a high-tech pearl foam interior. That means no leaking, no pumping, and most importantly, no sudden deflation. The float stays buoyant and firm, which adds a lot to the overall safety factor. On the outside, the float is wrapped in a soft, skin-friendly, waterproof fabric that not only feels great but also dries quickly. Between the soft outer shell and the dense inner foam, there's a sealed waterproof membrane that enhances durability. The build feels premium, and you can immediately tell this isn't just another baby toy, it's a well-engineered swimming aid. One of the smartest updates to this model is the detachable tail. It's designed to prevent flipping backward, which can sometimes be a concern with active babies in water. Combined with extra-wide wings, the float achieves an incredible balance that keeps your baby stable from all directions. It comes equipped with a UPF 50+ sun canopy that offers top-tier protection against UV rays. That's essential for protecting your baby's delicate skin, especially during outdoor pool days. And what's more, the canopy has mesh sides that provide full visibility, so you can always keep an eye on your baby and they can see you too. The security system on this float is worth highlighting. Instead of just one or two straps, it features a 5-point harness. Shoulder, waist, and crotch straps all come together with a one-press security buckle. It's a snug yet comfortable fit that ensures your little one stays secure without restricting their movement. Speaking of movement, the Mambobaby Float allows babies to practice both backstroke and breaststroke positions. When your baby lies on their back, it's a relaxed experience, almost like a mini floating bed. And when they're placed on their stomach, there's a 40-degree angled headrest that keeps their face above water while allowing them to kick and splash freely. It's designed to encourage natural swim motions, turning pool time into a playful and educational experience. Another thoughtful design element is the cotton mesh crotch section that protects the baby's skin, and the soft underarm pads that keep your baby comfortable during longer swim sessions. All the touch points are carefully considered for maximum comfort. Whether you're in a pool, at the lake, or even using a large bathtub, this float adapts well. However, it's crucial to remember, this is not a life-saving device. Parental supervision is non-negotiable anytime this float is in use. In terms of size, it's adjustable, which makes it suitable for a wide range of infants from 3 months all the way up to 24 months. And thanks to the durable, solid structure, it holds up well even as your baby grows. To wrap it all up, the Mambobaby Float with Canopy is more than just a cute floaty. It's a carefully designed swim trainer, a safety device, and a comfort zone for your baby all rolled into one. If you're serious about giving your child a safe and joyful introduction to water play, this is definitely a top contender. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth, no-nonsense product breakdowns. See you in the next one.